Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're going to try to catch up this week. We're kind of falling behind again. We've got three or four, I think, radios that we've had in for about a week and haven't reviewed them. So we're going to try to catch up this week. We're going to start with this PRUNUS J-03C. Now, the J-03 came out about a year ago. And it's been upgraded. Now it's the C version. And the biggest difference, besides reception has improved, is power. The original one used either an AC power cord, built-in adapter, or batteries, AA batteries. This one, been upgraded, it has an internal rechargeable battery, and it uses uh, 4 AA batteries as an alternate source of power. AM, FM, shortwave. The shortwave band goes from 5.9 to 18 megahertz. Big, easy to read tuning dial. This is one of those radios they advertise as for seniors because it's very easy to use. Not a lot of buttons to push. This tuning knob, old analog tuning type thing, has a telescopic antenna, which is about 20 inches. Carrying handle. Right there's a carrying handle. Big speaker, lots of volume, very clear. Here's the back of the radio. This is where the AC adapter used to go. Used to plug in your AC cord right here. That's gone. This is the battery compartment. Turn it around this way. Kind of has a interesting finish on it. The stops. I've been out of this recording for a couple of days now. Got to relearn. It's kind of grainy here, and then it's smooth up here in the sides. That's what I was trying to say. Plenty of volume. That's AM. Very smooth tuning.
Mississippi and Oklahoma are looking to eliminate.
You got to get away from music. It probably, like most radios, be fun on other stations. Yeah, prefers to be sitting that way because the stations are that way on AM. Go to FM, tune very, very quickly. I'm going to turn the volume down first. Go to FM. Whoop, yeah, music. Whoa.
New Galaxy S26 Ultra. Really? Nothing? Did I mention at T-Mobile there's no trade-in needed? Better. Guarantee excludes taxes and fees. Applies to market price on it.
You did tell me.
So you could see it picks up a lot of stations on FM. Probably won't get anything on shortwave, especially, and the band conditions have been terrible lately. But we'll try real quickly. Go down to shortwave. This is the band select. Does mute while tuning. See if we can get anything on 10 megahertz. I think WWV is trying to come through right there. Nope, I could get it earlier, but not now, as usual. That's probably 6.3 out of either Tennessee or maybe it's W. It's probably out of Tennessee, out of Nashville, Tennessee. I'm getting some interference. That's the problem with doing a show in my office. My office is loaded with electronics, routers, all kinds of stuff like that. So it does cause interference. I'm going to try to move back down to my radio room now that it's warmed up. It's not so cold down there. There's no heat down there. So in the wintertime, it's pretty brutal. Anyway, pretty nice little radio. Like I said, the dial is really easy to read. There's a tuning knobs. There's a headphone jack. There is the charging port, USB charger. It comes with the USB charging cord and a nice, easy to read manual. Big print. Don't really need the manual. This is very straightforward type radio. You can get this off of Amazon. If you enjoyed the show, I'd wish you would give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be nice too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.